Welcome to the Camping and Caravanning Club series of how-to videos. Now, whether it's at the start of the season before hitting the road or getting ready to lay up for winter, it's always worth cleaning your caravan thoroughly to protect it against the elements and also to protect your investment. Start by checking your handbook as it may have specific advice on cleaning. Gather your tools including a hose, a bucket, sponge or squeegee and soft brush with a long handle. Only use cleaning products suited to caravans and motorhomes. It's important to give yourself plenty of space around your leisure vehicle if you can, and avoid cleaning if it's a very sunny day, as this will dry the surface too quickly before you have a chance to clean it properly. It's a good idea to split the vehicle up into sections and concentrate on one panel at a time, starting with the roof, then moving on to each side, then the front and back. The roof is usually the dirtiest part, and for safety you should have a helper to steady a suitable ladder or platform when you tackle it. Use the jockey wheel to tilt the caravan so water can run off easily. It's a good idea to put the steadies down to aid stability. Avoid climbing on the roof. It's a big area, so split it into smaller sections, moving around the unit so you are not overstretching. If you don't have the right kit, leave the roof until you do, for safety's sake. If the caravan is covered in deposits, start by wetting the whole area to help soften the dirt. Avoid pointing a hose at any vents, windows, roof lights or joints, as they're not designed to stand up to high water pressures. Highly foaming products make this job easier. Attach it to a pressure washer set to low pressure and cover the caravan in snow before washing. This clings to the surface, gently loosening and lifting dirt and reducing the risk of scratching when you take the muck off. This step isn't essential, but it will take some of the hard work out of cleaning a dirty leisure vehicle. If you need to mix your cleaning fluid, follow the instructions and avoid getting grit on any brushes. We've used a concentrated spray which we've worked onto the surface with the brush. Make sure you pay close attention to cleaning around sealant joints and rubber seals. You may find it easier to clean around roof lights from the inside carefully with an old toothbrush, for example. Stubborn marks may need some elbow grease and multiple applications of cleaner to shift. Wash everything off with clean water and dry the surface using a clean cloth or squeegee. Remember, a thorough cleaning should be at least an annual event. The same process should be followed on the vertical surfaces, working from the top down. While in storage, dirt will run off the roof and rubber seals, causing streaks which can be a challenge to remove.
Black streaks are mainly caused by rubber seals oxidising over time and naturally shedding their outer layer. Regular cleaning can avoid these unsightly marks building up. Work on one opening at a time, spray cleaner onto the seals and leave to penetrate for 30 seconds. Add a tape with an old toothbrush to remove the oxidised layer from the seal. Allow the cleaner time to soak in and then rinse off. Use a soft brush close to the window edges.
Tar and other debris tend to attach to the front of the caravan, and specialised tar remover cleaners are best for this. Remember to reapply polish and wax afterwards, as this product is pretty aggressive and will also remove it as well. Throughout the course of the camping season, try to clean off bird droppings as soon as possible. Longer term marks are tougher to remove. Use warm water on a damp paper towel and allow time for it to soak. This will usually be enough to soften those droppings. A soft bristled brush can also help. And don't forget the wheels and tyres.
It's probably best to wash the windows separately to the rest of the van, as they are easily scratched. Wash them down with your bare hands rather than using a brush, with a cleaner designed for caravan windows. Small scratches can be polished out using a suitable compound. Awning channels and water outlets make convenient nests for insects, and so do fridge and heating vents. Check these while you are cleaning. If you have a solar panel, clean it as well. Any dirt will affect its performance. Never use washing up liquid for cleaning the outside of your caravan or motorhome. Instead, use products designed for the materials involved, which for caravan bodies is usually aluminium, GRP and ABS plastics.
If you found this video useful, be sure to check out others in our how-to series on our club YouTube channel. Happy camping and caravanning.